So I've been working in the studio trying to get it cleaned up and rearranged, and so you saw what it looked like before. Let's see now.
Hi, I'm Bill.
And I'm Jenny.
We are
Warehouse Creations.
Welcome to our studio.
Hey guys, this is it. It's the absolute mess. Sorry about the beacon up here. Still trying to figure out how to make this work. And there's not really a light on me right now, but if you can see, this is what we've got going on today, and so I'm looking forward to it. Not really. This is all the crap I'm trying to get rid of. This is going to be the area where we have the wheels so Bill can teach some private lessons. That's where my hand building table was. Now it's shoved over there. These are the shelves that are going to hold the hand building materials, and then all of that is going to go next to that table, which is going to go where my slab roller is. The slab roller is going to go over there. No. Slab roller is going there, and my hand building table is going there. Good God. That table, unfortunately, is going to be going away. I'm not sure what I'm going to do without it, but we'll make it work. So, yep, here we go. I said we were cleaning, but when you've got ADHD like I do, things just don't happen without making a bigger mess than you started with. So, there you go. And Bill knows all of this and loves me anyway. Right, hun?
Yep.
Say hi in your little hidey hole over there.
Hi.
And so all of his area, which right now he's shoved into a dormer, can't move a whole lot, so his stuff will come out here where my wheel is, so that he has room for his individual classes and to actually throw. We hope. That's the plan anyway.